Hi everyone, welcome back to Kimmy's Garage. Today on this new episode I'd like to go over how to determine your housing end type that is welded on your rear end housing. Let's go over it now. Let's go over the tools required, preferably a dial caliper or at minimum a tape measure. You can purchase a dial caliper at any Home Depot or Harbor Freight. Measure from center to center across the two top holes. It may be easier to use the left side of the hole to the left side of the hole. Next, measure center to center across the bottom two holes. Measure from the center of the top hole to the center of the bottom hole. Lastly, measure the bearing diameter. Make sure you write all measurements down. Compare your measurements to the chart available on our website to determine which housing end you have. On today's measurements, we determined this is a Mopar Dana 60 housing end. We hope this has been a simple way for you to measure your housing type to determine the correct Aerospace Components rear brake system. Once again, thank you for joining me today on Kimmy's Garage, and I'll see you again soon.